Do you have milk at home? Then you can make this very easy and delicious dessert. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a simple milk dessert that is soft, creamy, and full of coconut flavor. And I really wanted to share it with you. I hope you try it at home. First, pour 1 liter of milk into a large pot. Add 1 cup of sugar. Then add 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour. Now mix everything very well until there are no lumps left. This dessert is really easy to make, but the result is still so delicious. Once the mixture is smooth and lump-free, set it aside for a moment. Now prepare your tray. Pour about 1½ to 2 glasses of shredded coconut onto the tray. Spread the coconut evenly over the whole surface. Make sure to do this step before cooking the dessert, because once the custard is ready, you'll need to pour it right away. Now place the milk mixture on the stove over medium-low heat. Stir constantly so the bottom doesn't stick. This is important, especially when the mixture starts to get thicker. The thicker it gets, the faster it can stick to the bottom, so keep stirring. When the mixture thickens and starts to boil, add 60 grams of butter. Then add 1 packet of vanilla. Mix everything well until the custard becomes smooth and creamy. As soon as you take the custard off the stove, pour it evenly over the coconut. Try to spread it gently across the whole tray. Smooth the surface slowly and carefully. Now let it cool down. Once it has cooled, place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This helps the dessert set properly and makes it much easier to roll later. Now let's prepare the cream topping. Pour 170 milliliters of cold milk into a bowl. Add 1 sachet of whipped cream powder. Whip until it becomes light and creamy. Instead of this mixture, you can also use 200 milliliters of whipped cream. Now spread the cream over the custard that has been resting in the refrigerator. Spread it evenly and gently. If you like this video, please leave a like and write a small comment. It really makes me happy and helps support the channel. Now divide the dessert into 12 equal parts. Sprinkle crushed walnuts on top. You can also use any nuts you like. Please share the video so others can see this recipe too. Now carefully wrap and roll each piece, just like you see here. Roll them slowly so they hold their shape. Coat the outside of each roll with coconut. Make sure the outside is covered well. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, you give me amazing support. Now decorate the rolls however you like. I used walnuts on top, and that's it. This dessert is very tasty, soft, creamy, and the texture is really amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next recipe.